What is an agile model? Let's find out.
So now in this video, we're going to be talking about Agile. This is also given by the Agile Manifesto. So Agile Manifesto covers 12 different tenets, but I'm going to talk about the first four, which is most important. One is software over documentation. So software should be always available instead of the documentation. We should be focusing on the working software. Then we have customers versus the stakeholders. So the customers should be given the most important versus the other type of stakeholders. So the stakeholders should be the governing the project, but the customer's interaction should be the most important point. Then we have more like development and iterative cycle, then processes and influences. So instead of following the process every single time, don't change the process, it's adaptable. So we have customers, software, and development. Then we do have one more thing, that is iterative development. So this agile versus iterative development every single time, actually, so to provide a more iterative approach for each development instead of the constant process. So that's how Agile actually works. Just outline these. Yeah, so this is one of the Agile 4 key manifesto points. Actually, it has 12, but these 4 points actually specify the most important valuable points which we're going to be considering.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.